Number 14. Number 12. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound po ni 1 minute remaining.
First quarter pala na. First quarter.
Number 26. No good. Rebound number 12.
Nalito ko ng
15 seconds.
first quarter ng second game.
Number 22. Number 2 points. 35 seconds. Number 2 points by number 14. 15 seconds. 10 seconds.
Yeah.
5 seconds.
Pagpalit mo ngayon. Pagpalit mo, hindi niya yung joker.
Yung kanina, o nga po.
18, 13, 5.3 by Joker.
Sir, kahit naman po ipagbawal, sir.
Di lang din.
Kasi nasa loob pa rin.
Number 3, no good. To number 2 pa din, no good pa din. Same pa number 6. To number 71, Reyes. No good, rebound by number 14. To double 3 ball.
Tinapit niya eh. Kaya mawasang bola.
Three points.
Correct for 3 points. By number 3.
Kagabi na nagtrabaho.
Tatrabaho ko agad.
Ha? Kaya ito trabaho.
Mia. Biglang bungol sa press. No good. Rebound by number 14. To number 12. Number 12. No good. To number 12. Correct for 2 points by number 22.
SK. Sa tulala.
Reyes.
Ang bilis na mag-umpisa. Pag alis ko pag-awar up pala
Pabilis nga po, minamadali na yun. Lagi madali ang kumili.
Still by number 3.
At pagbaba ko pa lang mag-umpisa ang first quarter.
Sino ulit?
Number 22 correct for 2 points.
Ito na ang third game. Shoot.
Hindi ko po tapos.
Tanda. Ito na ang third game.
To number 10. Number 10 biglang bungol sa press. Correct for 2 points by number 10.
Tres.
2 points lang daw po.
Ha? 2 points. Line fit.
Lapit na kaya.
Reyes.
Oops.
Correct for 2 points. Correct for 2 points by number 12.
Uy.
Number 22 correct for 2.
Sino to?
Cute yan.
Temo, mas wala pang pamirinda. Hello? Kalma kami ha?
Number 10. 2 points. Ay, long to.
Ito. Kita direct.
Pangina yan, nakakaso naman na ni
No good. Ibaba number 10 to number 12.
Score ng score. Kanina pa.
Number 14, connect for 2 points.
Pato nga dyan, kuya.
Official score 29-22.
29-22 daw.
29?
29 po.
29 na raw.
Number 22.
Nakalik tayo kanina.
Same ball.
Dito ko na lang titingnan pag shot. Di akin. Nga, di nila ako tindi.
Number 12, steal by.
Papagod lang ako.
Di maunahan.
Shoot.
Connect for 2 points.
Wala nga. Kasi dun. Dre! Pentel pen.
To number 10. 5 minutes remaining.
Running time eh.
Ganyan yan, yung mga yan. Dinadaya na.
Connect for 2 points by number 3.
Oh, parang over lang to.
Number 14. Connect for 2.
Ay, sorry. Chill mo naman.
Meron na
Number
kanina.
11, Tumiya, no good. To number 14. To number 12. No good. Di maunahan. To hindi na. Di maunahan. So fall by number 7. Time out. White.
Di pa change court. 2 minutes pa.
Number 22. So fall by number 30. So first personal foul. And second team foul. First draw connect for 1.
Kundi nilang yan.
Pag-change court din naman yan. Hindi na malilito sa
Black
change
rock.
court.
No
Kapag
good.
tanggap, position. Ano.
So number 22 pa din. Connect for 2 points.
Nakahirap. Kundi nilang yan. Ikaw naman may ano.
Number 10 third drop. No good.
Hindi ko po. Lumapit ka naman. Ano pag ilalapit ko ba? Ikaw ang sabi. Ikaw ang lumapit. Hindi naman ako nakarisco.
Oo. Horrible eh.
To number 33. 3 seconds violation.
Lang.
May balik na lang. Naging din.
Running time eh.
Ito pa na lang. Nahihirapan ako. Isang kulit. Ba't kasi may...
Reyes. No good.
Ba't yun? Inom yan? Ano ka lamang nag-ahit?
Subantang.
Inom yan.
Team by number 3. Connect for 2 points. Two minutes remaining. Ibabay, di ba unahan?
Ito pala yun.
To number 22. Turundina. Di ba unahan? Tungkol sa 3. No good. Di ba ba number 30? Official score. Deadlock 41.
Deadlock 31 raw.
Deadlock
Sa traveling violation. Timeout. White. Official score, Gold Black 41.
Ay, vision. View.
Hirap mag-score dito.
10 seconds.
Limited second quarter.
Balik mo.
1 minute remaining. Record 2, by number 17.
Pag
14 seconds. 3 points, by number 10.
3 points.
3 daw.
Reyes, lumipad.
Uy! Ako. Ang sak.
3 points ka?
4:34. Oh.
Balik na siya banda.
That's it.
15 seconds. 15 seconds.
Kilala.
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Tira na. Tira na. Ay, na percent.
Sa official score,
36.
46. 43.
Joker.
3 point lead by Joker.
Yeah, third game. Third quarter, wala. Third game, right? Third quarter. Wala lang Loaban Rivers.
Nasa kay number
Team
26.
Joker.
Poland by number 13.
Ayaw.
2 points by number 8. Number 3. Kicks it out.
Zero ng press.
Tumira ng press. No good. Number 3 with the rebound. Puts it up. And puts it in. Malaras. Malaras. Binusot sa dalawa. No good. Rebound pa rin by Malaras. Binasa sa kampe. Number 22. No good. Ah, there's a foul. Foul committed by number 7. It's your second personal foul. First team foul. Number 5, pasa kay number 3, that's 10 to shoot. Very good. Number 20, there's another foul. Foul committed by number 22, it's your first personal foul. Second team foul. First throw is no good. Second throw, good for one.
36-38.
Number 8, pass to number 13. To number 55. Good boy, 2 points. By number 55.
2 points.
Manipur. Number 3, pasa kay. Pasa kapay nag-aagawan. Jean Paul. Dito tayo sa kabila.
Kaya pa yung 2 points yung kanina. Parang pupus lang.
Number 8. Malaras. Pasa sa gitna. Number 22, rebound. No good. Number 22 na rebound. Pasa kay number 3. Number 3, lays it up.
Shot.
And lays it
Be,
in.
sa'yo, be.
Malaras pass to number 8. Pasa kay number 25. Good for 2 points by number 55. Ignacio, number 5, naghahanap ng papasahan. Pasa kay number 3. Number 3, faking. Ay, hindi nakasahan. Nakabigyan ito ang pasa. Joker's ball. Substitution.
Matatalo pa ng Joker.
Time remaining, that's 5 minutes and 40 seconds. 5 and 40, Gonzalez, pass sa gitna. Turnaround jumper, number 22, good for 2 points.
Shoot.
Number 3, setting up a play. Number 3, on top of the key. No good. Rebound by number 14. Malares, guarded by number 3. Malares, all the way to the basket. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha na number 5. Reyes, attacking the basket. No good. Number 22 on the other side. Floater, no good. Si number 3 naman, ang layo na pinag-take pa, biglang pinasa ng number 5 and good for 2 points.
45-40.
Number 14, pull pass, pero na-intercept ni number 26. And here comes number 71, all the way up. No good, but there is a foul committed by number 8. Timeout. Dreamers, Loban Dreamers.
45-40.
Para kay number 71, Reyes. Oh, first throw, no basket.
Nalipit.
Stepping on the line. Mahaba ang sapatos. Second throw. No good. Rebound by number 22.
Ay, kamali. Sa si referee. Nakulay.
Magkakulay ng uniform.
Kulay.
Ref, shoot!
Dapat sinira mo.
Next time.
Number 26. Foul committed by number 22. It's your first personal foul, first team foul.
Nandiyan ka ni. Kakauwi lang.
Second throw is good.
Ginagawa mo kasi. Nag-shoot ka?
Shoot. Oh, shoot.
Shoot na, shoot.
Shoot.
Kayo.
Sa-
Ilan pong shoot? Isa
Wala.
lang.
Gonzalez. Pass number 22, less 10 to shoot. Pass kay number 55, puts up a jumper, no good. Rebound by number 22, lays it up and in. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Vincent setting up a play para sa Team Dreamers. Vincent looking now to number 3, to number 5, back to number 3. Bullseye. Good for 2 points. Oops, uy! Namahan sa mukha. At Malares.
Uy, labas ng bola.
White ball.
Yun, nandiyan na si
Reyes to inbound. Vincent back to Reyes. Reyes. Oh, yes, with an in and out. Kicks it out to number 5 for 3. Oh, nothing but net.
Okay pa naman
Pero
kayo.
kapos.
Buhay naman
lang
ba?
kami, inintay lang kita.
Saan ka na? Ben, pamilyandahin mo daw.
Ay, si Juana.
Four pa kami.
Nasaan si Jera? Si Danica.
Walis na din. Kanina pa.
Gonzalez. Number 7. Uy,
Dre!
Manalili. Reyes sa kaliwa. Pasa kay number 3. Good for 2 points. Gonzalez. Guarded by number 3. Pasa kay number 55. Back to Gonzalez. Number 8. Gonzalez to number 7. That's time to shoot. Oh. No good. Number 3. Bullet pass kay Reyes, pero hindi natala. Joker's ball.
Tama yung dalawa.
That's 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 and 30, Malaras.
Wala.
Faking, looking. Naghanap ng papasahan na ito sa number 22. Puts it up, over. May mahinang pito sa rep. May foul committed by... Who's foul that? Number 2. Number 28. Number 28 pala. Yung unahan ng dito.
Nagpuksaan.
First throw is good.
Dapat ano kasi yan?
Lima lang ang required, lima lang.
Lima lang daw ang qualify. Ano siya? Ano na
Sa ID, required na ang grade.
Yan.
2 for 2 para kay number 22. Number 3.
Lalo.
Number 3. Drop pass. Drop pass uli. No good. Number 22 got the rebound. Number 22. Court to court play. Sinongalo na. Another 2 points para kay number 22. Plus 1 minute. Napabayaan si number 3 sa kabila. And that's an easy 2 for him. Number 55. Almost a steal pero nakuha pa rin nila. Number 14 Malaras. Driving. Backpedal. Malaras spins. Drop pass. What a pass. But it's no good. Number 22 got his own rebound. And 1.
53.
Foul committed by number 28. Time remaining 38 seconds.
Wala pa tayo sa mga.
It's your second personal foul. Third. Team foul. Bonus shot is no good. Nakuha na number 6 ang bola. 35 seconds remaining. Para sa ating third quarter. Number 6. Paasa kay number 26. No good. Reyes.
Zero lang
Reyes. Corner 3. No good. Rebound ng number 14. That's 20 seconds. Napabayaan yung isa. Kinaliwa. Good for 2. 15 seconds.
Iba na tabi yun. Iba na. Iba na mga sa klase na.
Reyes. Pasa sa kabila. 10 seconds.
Shoot.
In
Ay.
and out. 5 seconds.
Tira na. Ay. Tira. Laman.
And the third quarter official score 55-47 in favor of
Fourth quarter next.
number 5, quick release, no good. Number 15 got the rebound. Pass number 12. Bantang. Hinaharas sa number 6. Bantang nakawala. Bantang lays. No. White ball. Reyes. Pasa kay number 3. To number 5. Back to Reyes. Reyes. Switching direction. Bigla pinasa sa kaliwang side. Kay number 6. Good for 2 points. Oy, what a steal. Pero na out of bounds. Number 15. Para sa kay Estrella. Estrella with a floater. No good. Estrella with another rebound of his own. Wala pa rin. Number 3 with a hand up to number 6. Oh, what a fake with number 6 and good for 2 points.
51, 55.
Number 14, Malaras. Faking, looking. Pasa kay number 12. To number 22, Estrella. Then to shot number 15. There's a foul. Committed by number 5. It's your first personal foul. Yours. Team foul. Estrella, nilabas ang bola. Last 10 to shoot. Estrella, pasa sa loob kay number 15. Hindi. Uy! Taas. Good. Taas ng tier. Reyes, quick pass number 22. Ganda namang ball movement ng Team Dreamers dito. Number 3, number Euro step. But it's no good. Number 22, got the rebound. Wala pa rin. Save ball. Number 5, 10 to shoot. That is a traveling violation. Last 7 minutes and 41 seconds. Time remaining 7 minutes and 41. Malaras, stolen by Reyes. Here comes number 6 again. Oh, 6 3 points para kay number 6.
355.
Estrella, hinaharap sa pinaunahan. Pasa kay Bentang. Stolen by number 22.
Say.
Number 22 with a drop.
Uy.
No good. Quick basket number 3. No good pa rin. Team Joker on the other side. Malaras, nawawala ang bola. Hinaharas number 5. Malaras. Oh, pinasa sa kalaban. Reyes with a steal. Reyes with a fast break to number 3. And that's amazing too.
Finish. All
Time out.
55.
Team Joker.
All
Full
55.
time is 55.
Iramin mo muna yung pinangkasal ni Matthew.
Number 12, Bantang. Nagkakaroon ng bola. Pasa kay Gonzales. Gonzales, pwede pa Reyes. Nakita si number 22. Number 22, nakawala ang bola. Puts it up. No good. At ang taas ang talo, number 3. Romana, puts it away. No good. Estrella got the rebound.
Hindi kasi, di ba lovely kasi yung sa kanya? Kasi sa
Number
kanya.
14, all the way up. Blocked by number 22. Number 3, hinaharas ang dalawa.
Foul.
And there's a foul. Committed by number 12. It's your second personal foul. First team foul.
Nalaro pa lang pare ko.
Uy, tumaunahan with a quick release. And another two para kay tumaunahan. 9 points in this quarter para kay tumaunahan. Gonzales. At the right side, takes the floater. No good. Number 12, the rebound. Still with number 5, but it's out of bounds. Same ball.
Pag wala silang laro.
Timeout.
Pahinga
White.
ng Friday, di ba?
Wala pala ng Friday. No? No,
10 seconds to shoot para sa team Joker. 5 to shoot. Estrella lays it up and lays it in.
57-58.
Ah, 58, 57.
Oh, dumaunahan with a steal. Dumaunahan. Nag-iinit na, but it's no good. Number 22, tangkab. Number 8, Gonzales looking. Nakita sa number 55. Number 55, lays it up. No good. Nagagawa ng rebound dito. Number 22, ibinag ko sa kabila. Nakuha ni number 14. And to shoot. Number 14, guarded by dumaunahan. 5 to shoot. Shot down, winding down. Gonzales puts it up and puts it in.
Shoot. James Favor.
Reyes. Reyes. Biglang sumugod.
Zero ng
Gilabas kay
3.
Zane. Yan, hindi ko alam kung paano.
Counted.
Oh, basketball play.
Counted.
Foul committed by number 22.
SK counted.
Second personal foul. Second team foul.
$62-59, ano? Pang free throw. Bonus free throw. Pasok.
Bonus shot is good para kay number 3.
Tapos na lamang.
Manipol. Manipol fakes. Oh, muli pa rin. Wala recovery from Reyes. And Manipol. Nawala ang bola na kuha ni Rosales. Pass to Reyes. Reyes all the way up.
Oop.
Good for 2 points.
Highlights.
Joker ball. Number 12, Mantang, nadulas ng konti, but still good. Di maunahan. Pass to Rondina. Send to shoot, di maunahan with a quick release. No good. Number 51, good rebound, pass kay Gonzalez. Gonzalez setting up a play para sa Team Joker. Naghahanap ng papasahan si Gonzalez. Nakakita yung isa dun sa gilid. But down with another jumper. No good, but there's a foul. Committed by number 28. It's your third personal foul, second team foul. 2 minutes and 35. Last 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Shoot. Bantang. Second throw. Still no good. Rondina. Against number 14. Rondina. Tumalo na naman sa napakalayo. Pasa kay Tim Mauna. Good jumper. No good. Rondina. Ay paglaban sa ibang nakahanap yung Joker. Estrella all the way up. No good. At nawala ang bola sa kamay. Number 55. Substitution from 2 minutes and 10. Rondina setting up a play. Rondina biglang bumukol on top of the key. Baldog. Nakuha na number 14. Number 14. Looking, nakita si Gonzalez. Pass sa unit kay number 55. Stolen by number 26. Pasa kay Rondina. Rondina, biglang pinasa. Stolen by Bantang. Here comes Team Joker. Bantang stops. Meron na huli ni Rosales. What a rejection from Rosales. And here comes Team Maunahan on the other side. No good. Oh, Rondina ganda rebound. Fakes. Rondina sa kaliwa. Drop pass. Reyes. Uy, biglang pinasa pa kay Rondina. Ay, kaya ito na natanggol. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Oh, we have a tie game? Wala. Reyes. The rebound. Reyes, di diskarte. Step through, puts it up, and puts it in. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Bantang, hinintay ang kakampi. Last 1 minute. Malaras. Drives. Pasa. Estrella kicks it out. Stolen by Dimaunahan. 15 seconds remaining. Just 50 seconds. Rondina lumipad. Another 2.
67.
That's 42 seconds. 35. Estrella, hinahara si Dimaunahan. Time to shoot, number 55 for the 3. Ball. Last 25 seconds.
Tira.
Vincent. Uy, dala. Fake news. Fake news si Vincent. Uy, Vincent, kumu-crossover. Time to shoot. Nagbigyan na. Good for 2 points. That's 9 seconds.
Wala na, panalo na. Ayaw na.
Ilan na lang? Tapos na.
Yan, congratulations.